We're on a mission today to catch some bigger fish. Primarily jack crevalles and bull redfish, as well as something to eat. From the jetties, I got one, to the sand, to the freshwater lakes.
Get back here. This is a good one.
Let's go. Beautiful out here, guys. 10% jetty fishing. I got myself rigged up an NLBN 5-inch and a 3-inch, and as well as a popping cork. Let's see what happens out there, guys. Let's get out there. As I started walking down the rocks, a couple of my buddies, Michael and Pedro, already hooked into a couple of trout. I decided to give the old popping cork and live shrimp method a try to start off. Unfortunately, the bait stealers were real, and they were terrorizing my bait as well as the ladyfish. So I decided to move farther down and try for a different species, primarily bull redfish and jack crevalles. What's that? Nah.
It may not be much, but
It's a nice one.
bottom fishing is what I can hang my hat on.
I got nothing on me.
Damn, my weight came up. Won't be the last weight, others.
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh, you got the old cleats kicking over there, huh?
Oh yeah, bro.
Thank you, sir. Sir. Hell yeah.
Get my NLBN out there. What'd you get him on though? Cut mullet?
Oh yeah, the head.
Nice. Alright guys, I got myself an NLBN swim bait here, paddle tail, 5-inch on a 2-ounce jig head. Let's see what happens, guys. Cast out here. Channel. See if we get thumped. Cast after cast, with different sized paddle tails, as well as a 3-ounce silver spoon. No luck. It seems like live bait and cut bait was the way to go this day. So here we are the next morning, attempting to pull a speckled trout out of bait using the voodoo shrimp jig.
I had another one. Yeah, I don't know.
It was a fish, it was a fish. It hit him right on the drop off, like right on the drop off. I scratched mine, mine's burning up. Yeah, aw. I got one too, I think, a lady. Oh, I got a trout. That might even be a keeper too. Yeah, that's like too small, guys. I continued working the voodoo shrimp jig getting into a nice keeper trout. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording. Which brings me to where we're at now, guys. I got some nice, fresh vegetables here, along with that fish, to make some nice, fresh ceviche with some fresh lemon and lime juice. This time, we're gonna be using the fresh vegetables. We're not gonna be using that pre-squeezed stuff. But before we get started, like I said in the beginning of the video, we were actually after some bigger fish, like bull reds or jack crevalles. So we decided to pack up and drive down the beach to look for some cleaner water along with some bait, hoping to find some jack crevalles along the way.
Damn, they look like they are moving left.
I'm putting up the fish here, guys. Y'all see those birds diving right there?
Oh, there's man-hating here. Man-hating. Oh yeah, there's a lot of bait. I just saw it. I just saw a lot of bait right now.
That's exactly what we're looking for, guys. Birds working on the bait. There'll be some bigger fish mixed in there as well. Potentially, we'll find our targeted species, which is a bull red or a nice jack crevalle.
Move, we can, don't matter to me.
Yeah, let's go. They're all diving.
While we pack up and continue down the beach, I'm finishing cutting up the fish here. And I'm just about done, guys. I got my fish cut up into some nice smaller pieces here. And I'm now ready to start squeezing these lemons. Now here's where things get real juicy, guys. As soon as we pull up to our next location, I forget my camera in the truck. However, we quickly double up on some big fish, guys. My buddy breaks off, and I yell at him to grab my rod while I get the camera. And now we're here.
Guys, we're cruising down the beach. Nice trip. We're cruising down the beach trying to get out of here. It's a real fun in the water. And there's birds working. We just stopped right now. Here, Popper. And we just stopped right now, guys. And we're hooked up to fish. What it is, but he hit right here in his first gut. Gut's pretty deep and these birds are diving right here. Jack crevalle, guys. Nice jack. Cruising down the beach, guys. guys. Should have had my camera on earlier. I ran into the truck to grab it while I was hooked up. Trying to walk them back here. Hell yeah, my boy Mike over here. All right. Buddy said they're back. He's running the popper. Let's get back out there. He said they're right in front of us right now. Let's see what happens. They're in this first gut. I think they went that way, bro. It's crazy. Oh, I got my phone in my pocket. It's dry, it's dry. Whew. Save that there, guys. Flippity floppity.
Did y'all get any over there?
Hey! I think they went that way. Yeah. Yeah, they're diving over there. Yeah. Oh, I'm on. Oh, I'm off. Yeah.
I got a fight on the floor. I just had a popper ready, so I grabbed it. Rome is hooked up over there. Oh yeah, they're hooked up big over there.
He's like, man, I just came from over there. Alright guys, nice Jack Revel at the surf. Nice Jack Revel. We're cruising down the surf here at the beach. Saw a couple birds working. My buddy jumped off, first cast out, hooked up and broke off. I got my rod casted out, first cast as well. Hooked up and we landed this one. Let's get back out there. Continued casting after those two fish, but it seems like that school of bigger fish quickly moved. We ended up moving ourselves, but didn't run into any more big fish along the way. Now, we're here, and I have some freshly squeezed lemon and lime juice about to go in the fish. Now what we want to do is make sure that this fish is completely covered with this lime and lemon juice, guys. And it looks like we just did exactly that. Perfect. Now we're going to close it up. And we're going to put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, guys. While the lemon's cooking up that fish,
Here's a couple of clips of me catching redfish, but in a different environment. Out of a freshwater lake in San Antonio, Texas, with a good buddy of mine, Jose. Alright, so this is pretty much what I'm working with, guys. It's got a 1 ounce egg weight here, a swivel, 40-pound fluoro, size 5 circle hook, piece of fish bites, and a dead shrimp that we're going to put on here as well. We have a fish messing with my bait right now. It's actually swimming this way with it. Yep, he's on. Get back here. This is a good one. Bro, I'm putting pressure on him. Alright guys, this guy is gonna go back out in the water. Nice. Oh, taking already. Beautiful freshwater redfish, guys. On that sunset bite.
Today was a good day to come out. Super good day.
Yeah, I told you.
Ray caught it. He was all like, man, we gotta get out there. Fish are biting.
They're slacking on you. Got him. There he goes.
There he goes.
Gone, guys.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, bro.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
What? Oh my gosh. I mean, you just can't get enough.
Alright guys, it's been about 2 hours and this fish is nice and cooked up in some freshly squeezed lemon and lime juice, guys. We're about to get to draining, but before that, what y'all think about this freshwater redfish action, guys? If y'all liked it and want to see a full video on that, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. But let's continue with the ceviche. It's time to drain out the juice. Alright guys, so a major thing, always be sure to drain out your juice that you cooked your fish with. It's gonna make your ceviche taste way better, guys. So let's drain this bad boy out. Alright, we still have all these other vegetables to add to the ceviche as well. But right now, we have the drained out fish. We're gonna add it to the container. Alright, we'll start off with the green onions. I have the tomato nice and cut up. I'm gonna add it to the ceviche. Now, time for the serrano. I'm gonna go ahead and take the seeds out on this bad boy. Or most of them at least. I'll keep a couple. Add a little bit of spice. Alright, time to add a serrano pepper to the mix. Now it's time for some purple onion. Ah, that stuff burns. Alright guys, now it's time to add a whole lot of cilantro to it. Why? Because I like cilantro. Let's get in there, guys. Now it's time for the avocado, guys. Alright, time to sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, as well as a little bit of hot sauce. You could choose whichever one you like. Tomato sauce. We're gonna add it about a fair amount. Now, to add the final bit of freshly squeezed lemon and lime juice in here. All right, guys, time to give it a stir and see what we got. I think I could have used a little bit more fish, but we worked with that one fish we did get though, guys. So we added about as much fish as we can. Forgot to add the cucumber to the ceviche. It's never too late. Let's add that bad boy. Nice and done now. Got our cucumber in there now. All right, guys, now it's time for a taste test. Wish I had a little bit more fish to add to it, but this is gonna be good. All right, guys, I got me some Doritos here. Nice beer. Ceviche is gonna be amazing in the summer, guys, with some barbecues. Out there on the beach after you catch a fish. All you gotta have is some fresh vegetables, guys. Time for a taste test. All right, got myself a chip here. All right, guys, time to taste this amazing ceviche. Ooh. That is amazing. The spicy Doritos set off the flavor a whole lot more, guys. Now remember to drink responsibly. This is South Texas Fishing Fam. Make sure that like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are out. On the spoon. Hell yeah. My boy Mike over here.